Yes, don't say anything heinous. And don't poop off the camera. Or do. I do it all the time, so you probably can do it too.
Alright, I'll be nice to you.
Oh, you're so kind. So generous of you, Mark.
I know, you don't look
What's your address again? What's your address?
Right.
I just wanna
34 West.
I just wanna send you some flowers, okay? Hot stuff. Hot stuff. We're ruining it.
Get it?
What?
Get it?
I didn't hear you.
Yeah, 5'8" for somebody.
Who's somebody?
5'8". Ready.
45. We got his stuff coming out in a couple minutes. Going straight to you, Robbie.
Oh, number 61 for DoorDash, 10-inch stuff. 15 to 20 minutes.
Huh?
You need a band?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, that one.
No, you said I got stuff.
I didn't say anything.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can bump that. Bump that.
Oh man, Robbie.
There's the stuff we're talking about.
Jeez, man. You want it right now? I'll give it to you. I'm talking about the stuff, bro. Don't make it dirty. Unless, of course, you're all set to. You got
Your
plenty
job, you know that?
to drain this stuff.
Yeah.
Says who? Who decided that?
It's for real.
It's for real?
Yeah, because you just drain it and then I just throw it in the box.
Well, Brandon never drains it for me.
Come on, Brandon.
One with. Yeah, just like say it 20 times over. Grr. How's Century?
That's amazing.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah. You know, if you're a labor at least, you know, every bathroom.
Yeah. I bet.
How's Central for you?
Don't go.
Which one? Because you were obviously you were recording the Chiefs game. So you were like, yeah.
Haven't been there since last year. Super happy about it. Hi, Mark.
Yeah, one possession and one
Having a good day?
possession, they're going to find a way.
Yeah, they always do. Somehow, some way. It's the Mahomes way, I guess.
Ew.
It's like the Patriots. You're going to give them the calls.
They do. No doubt about it. But you got to play around with it.
Right. Don't leave in their hands.
We got 2-1-6's next spin. Chuck, we're recording. In case you were wondering. He doesn't care.
Hey, pizza table. These pizzas look like circles. Pizzas look like circles. Thank you.
I'm scribbled.
You're making them heart-shaped on Valentine's Day.
Good thing I won't be here.
We weren't recording.
No! Oh, on camera too.
Sam, can you grab all those cheese fins and put them on the table or something?
It's a better place for him.
Thanks. Hello.
Are you hot, Robbie?
Is that the upgrade they were talking about?
Is it? Yeah, it's gotta be. Yeah, to be.
Half and half.
Yeah.
Proof at home. Bill's back. Bill. Order 61. Third party, there's a stuff in there.
That is my cutting.
Under 10.
Under 10. Under 10 minutes, sir. Third party paid or whatever. Thing on the jigger.
You got chunky.
I have to.
Sure.
Go.
What happened to your arm?
Where? Oh, my granddaughter put some bleach in this one.
I see that.
Nobody else has one like this.
It's true. It sure is.
Spending a pound.
Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby, let me know. Hot stuff in 4 minutes and 13 seconds. What?
What?
You're looking at me first,
I
buddy.
wasn't looking at you, I was looking your direction.
Look your own damn direction.
Hey, you're recording here, buddy.
Yeah, what the heck?
I'm sorry, look your own fucking direction.
You get that video demonetized.
I'm sure Travis edits those, right?
No,
He does it? I thought he would.
he should. I don't even think he watched.
I thought he did too.
I think, but he doesn't like bleep out words. He just cuts stuff out.
Well, right, he'll take a segment and cut it out.
It'd be funnier if he bleeped it out.
Yeah.
It's more real.
See, like,
More
this whole
subscribers.
thing here, we're not going to see that online. He's going to cut it out.
He just wants strictly pizza doing.
He almost got it.
Oh, what was that about double sausage?
Oh. Gotta be.
Well, I can hear my voice on
What? This will make for a real interesting video.
He just told me somebody commented on my tattoos.
Somebody commented on your tattoos? What'd they say?
Nice tattoos.
Yeah? Alright, yeah, that works. They could be watching this video right now. Nice tattoo guy could be watching this video right now. You believe that?
Oh no, I did grab it.
What is this for?
It's just.
That's average. Who grabbed one whip? I already had that though.
No. Boil it for extra.
Oh! That's not a whip. That's a extra butter.
Great one.
Listen here, Robbie.
Just wait till that video's up.
That's a good point. If that was a thin crust, there would have been no cheese left on it.
Good thing that's double dough, eh?
You can't even tell anything happened. It's fine. Get that stupid starch on my head, Robbie.
It was
On
crazy.
your left. It's on your left.
Crazy high.
On your right. On your right. Hot stuff in 5 seconds. Hot stuff coming back. Hot stuff.
all filled up. Fill up ours.
Whoa, Robbie. Crispy, crispy, crispy.
Why is this marked with up top?
Why is this marked with black olive?
Oh no, double oh no.
One of the days.
On your left. Extra butter. Robbie, guess whose turn it is to record?
What's your pan?